Hello, my name is Scott Happel, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Fisheries and Wildlife here at Oregon State University. I've been here about 12 years doing research and teaching in our department, and also am an active professor in the online education program as well. In addition to the classes I teach here on campus, I teach the Environmental Physiology of Fishes class, I teach a fishery biology class online, and management principles of Pacific salmon in the Northwest. For the fish physiology class, as with all of our classes, we really try to emphasize hands-on experience even for our online students. Now, it's easy enough to run a dissection lab for fish in a classroom here on campus, but it turns out we can do that at home as well because of lab kits that can be ordered online. Now, this particular one is ordered from Carolina Biological, and it's their perch dissection kit. And even if you're taking the class online for fish physiology, you can order this, go through the kit, do the laboratory that we've got posted, and get the same experience that a student would get here in a classroom. Now, this kit is fairly self-contained. You open it up, and inside it, of course, is your fish. Very important for doing a fish dissection lab. This fish comes preserved in formalin and has then been vacuum packed and is ready to go. So you get your fish, and of course, since it's been preserved in formalin, it's important to have a pair of gloves to go with it. These are gloves that I've included that didn't come with the kit. A dissection tray to do your dissection on for your fish. And then a couple of other things that come with it as well. There is the dissecting kit, which comes with a ruler, scissors, forceps, magnifying glass, a couple of probes, so you can actually use the same kit at home. I find some of the components of kits like this aren't really good, like the scissors aren't particularly sharp. So I've gotten my own set of scissors. You can do that as well, or work with the ones that you've got. In addition then are the instructions that come with the laboratory. Tells you how to go through a basic dissection, and then the teacher's manual as well if you wish to read through that. And then finally, the other thing that I've added in here that I think you might find is easier than trying to work with a formalin preserved fish in your laptop at the same time is that I've printed out the laboratory instructions that are included in the online course on Blackboard. And so you can take your fish, you can work through these, get the same experience that you would in the class, and then of course, as always, you would write up your laboratory, post it to Blackboard, and move on with other sections of the class.